Construction worker shot and succumbed to injuries in home invasion in Trelawney. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A construction worker was shot and taken out by a gunman who forcefully entered his house in Clarkstown, Trelawney on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as 41-year-old carpenter Moses Gordon, who was from Bottom Town, Clarkstown in Trelawney. Reports are that around 11:16 p.m., Gordon and his girlfriend were at home when two men wearing masks kicked the door open and entered the house. One of the men who brandished a handgun fired several shots, hitting Gordon in the upper part of his body. The attackers then escaped the scene on foot within the area. Gordon was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. No motive has yet been established for this latest fatal shooting in Trelawney. The Trelawney police are investigating. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.